Welcome to the Scissor Money Debt Snowball Calculator video. We are here to guide you through a powerful method for conquering your debt. If you're feeling stuck and struggling with overwhelming debt, remember, you are not alone. Many people live paycheck to paycheck, but small steps can create momentum. Overcoming debt is an achievable goal, step by step. Even when your finances feel overwhelming, small, manageable actions can lead to financial freedom. The debt snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first. This builds momentum and motivation, allowing you to roll payments from one debt to the next. Prioritize paying off your smallest debts. This approach allows you to focus on one debt while maintaining minimum payments on others, securing those quick wins. Quick wins are powerful. Each small victory boosts your confidence and motivation, reinforcing your path to financial freedom and making the journey easier. The power of small victories cannot be overstated. Paying off debts one at a time creates positive momentum, making the process achievable and helping you stay committed. Setting up your debt table is a crucial first step. Clearly list each debt's name, balance, and payment details. This visual setup is key for effective tracking and using the snowball method. Organize your debt table by listing the name, balance, and minimum payment for each debt. This visualization helps you plan your strategy for effective debt management. Understanding rollover payments is essential. Once one debt is paid off, you transfer its payment amount to the next debt, accelerating your payoff without needing additional income. Rollover payments increase the amount you pay on the next debt when a preceding one is cleared. This strategy significantly accelerates your debt payoff speed. Observe the rollover effect in action. The discipline of paying off debt leads to financial empowerment. To calculate your payoff timeline, divide your debt balance by the total monthly payment. Adjust this calculation as debts clear and payments roll over to set achievable goals. Calculating your payoff timeline involves dividing your total debt balance by your monthly payment amount. Regularly adjust this as you pay off debts and roll over payments. Visualizing your debt progress helps maintain momentum. Seeing your efforts pay off is highly motivating. Tracking each debt's progress monthly is vital. The snowball effect shows how payments grow and debts disappear faster, keeping you motivated toward financial freedom. Be aware of common mistakes. Not sticking to your plan, random spending, ignoring small debts, and missing payments can create setbacks. Discipline is critical for success. To avoid common mistakes, stick to your plan. Avoid extra spending, pay more than the minimum, and always remember to roll over payments after clearing a debt. We can see an example through a relatable figure like Joe, demonstrating the impact of consistent application of the debt snowball method. Your journey to debt freedom starts now. Take action today and begin building your debt snowball.